Hello friends, welcome to Hotel Guruji channel. Today I am going to make Manchurian balls. So let's see how to make Manchurian balls. Come. So I already cutted this roughly: carrot, beans, cabbage and cauliflower. And now I am going to chop this fine. Chop all vegetable fine like this. And if you want to grate, you can grate all vegetable. If you can't chop, so you can grate also and make Manchurian balls. I skipped this video little. I just want to show you guys how to chop. Chop like this. Look at it's coming to fine chop. Please, when you use chopping board, please save your hand and cut. Look at. I have experience, guys. So when you chop safely, don't cut your hand. It's done. I show you guys everything how to chop. Now I take up tray. It's up called cloth. I add vegetable all chop, and this is paneer, cottage cheese, salt, ajinomoto, white pepper, soya sauce, vinegar, chili sauce, red chili sauce, and this is green chili sauce. Green coriander, mix everything. This is baking powder. This is refined flour, maida. It's called maida, and refined flour also, and you can call white flour also. Mix it together. I add little water. If you don't want to add water, when you put salt and ajinomoto, leave that for 15 minutes. So you don't want to add water. It's ready. So now I am showing to how to make balls. You can make balls like this and roll it. It's ball ready, and after that you want to fry it together. All balls, put in water, put in oil, but you can make like this also. I am making balls like this because I have experience, so my balls come all ball same on like this. But if you make like this, so your ball not come all same size, not will come. So I have experience, so that's why my ball will come same size. When you put like this in oil your balls, so your gas flame is medium, not much high, not much slow. It's medium flame. That ball automatic coming top. Fried until done ball. If you don't know, so you can take a ball and check, and after that take out all balls. Look at this one is ready. All ball will come together ready. It's okay. It's all ready. Look at, and this is full done and that is half done. This is full done balls. Look at, ball is ready. Guys, if you like my video, please press like button and subscribe button, and press also bell icon for new notification. Thank you so much.